Want to share a Claude AI conversation with someone else? Claude makes it easy to share chats by creating a link that others can view, making collaboration and feedback much more convenient. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share Claude AI chats in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account and open the conversation you'd like to share. Make sure you've reviewed the chat before sharing it with others. Next, locate the Share button or the Conversation menu, then select the option to share your chat. Claude will prepare a shareable version of the conversation. Click the option to generate a shareable link. Claude will create a unique link that you can copy and send to others. Only share conversations that you're comfortable making accessible through the generated link. Paste the link into an email, message, or collaboration platform to share the conversation with your team, friends, or clients. Take a moment to confirm you're sending the correct conversation. If Claude provides options to manage or stop sharing, review your shared links periodically and remove access whenever it's no longer needed. Keeping track of shared conversations helps protect your privacy. Use shared chats to collaborate on writing, coding, research, brainstorming, project planning, and many other tasks with people who need access to your conversation. So you've successfully learned how to share Claude AI chats, and that's how to share Claude AI chats. Sharing conversations makes it easy to collaborate, gather feedback, and keep everyone on the same page. Before sharing any conversation, always double-check that it doesn't contain personal, confidential, or sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.